Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to add widgets to home screen on iPhone with iOS 26. So first of all, you have to long press like in the screen like this, and after that click on Edit. And after that, click on Add Widget. And as you can see here, there is a lot of widgets that you can add to your home screen, but I will choose this Google widget. And as you can see, there is multiple of them. I will choose this one and click on Add Widget. So if you like this widget and the position of it, you can move it, of course, to put it in another place. And when you are satisfied with the widget position, you have just to click on Done. And like that, you will add a widget to your home screen with iOS 26. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video. See you in the